safely. Stay safe indeed. It's 5:09. Now, tomorrow morning around this time, the word has been kindly supplied by Whanganui listener Lynette. So I'm looking forward to sharing that tomorrow. So this morning's word is Ranny-Gazoo. Yes, R-A-N-N-Y-G-A-Z-O-O. Ranny-Gazoo. It's a noun meaning foolish nonsense, deception, fuss, exaggeration. Now, for his 23rd studio album, Life is Fine, back in 2017, Australian singer-songwriter Paul Kelly takes inspiration from the jazz poet Langston Hughes and puts a tune to his words on the closing title track, Life is Fine, by Paul Kelly.
Down on the bank, I tried to think, but I couldn't. So I jumped in the sand. I came out once and I was running. I came out twice and